Today, we're diving straight into the best way to activate Tap with Vips, the contactless payment solution that makes transactions fast, secure, and effortless. Vips has become one of the leading payment apps in Norway, and the Tap with Vips feature allows users to pay instantly without fumbling for cash or cards. The first step is to ensure your Vips app is up to date. Open your App Store and download the latest version. Once updated, open Vips and navigate to the Settings menu. In Settings, select the Tap with Vips option. This feature requires a compatible debit or credit card linked to your account. If you haven't linked your card yet, Vips will guide you through adding your card details safely. After linking your card, the app will prompt you to activate Tap payments. Activation is instant, and once enabled, you can use your phone to pay anywhere contactless payments are accepted. Vips uses NFC technology, ensuring every transaction is encrypted and secure. There's no need for passwords or PINs for small amounts, making your daily purchases faster and smoother. Tap with Vips is not only convenient but also allows for easy transaction tracking. Every tap is recorded in your Vips history, giving you a clear view of your spending in real time. Merchants benefit as well, with faster checkouts that reduce queues and improve the customer experience. For optimal performance, ensure your phone's NFC feature is turned on and that your battery has enough charge. Vips supports most modern smartphones, making it accessible to a wide audience. Once activated, simply hold your phone near a contactless terminal, wait for the confirmation, and your payment is complete. This method provides a seamless, secure, and efficient way to handle everyday payments, making Tap with Vips one of the best contactless solutions available today.